Hey guys, in this video we going to be checking out the 5 best portable washing actions which are best in rating, pricing, and customer satisfaction. We have listed them based on quality, price, and features. If you want more information on the pricing mentioned on the product, you should check the links in the description below.
This portable washing machine is a gem. It's so nice and convenient to take on the go. It uses an ozone generator and an ultrasonic vibrator to actually sanitize small items of clothing. Like I just did all of this. I did a towel, I did some socks, a small tank top. It's perfect for baby clothes, and all you need is an outlet. It's portable, it collapsed down to a very small item. So it is perfect to take with you. You definitely have to check it out.
hope you like our video. Please subscribe to our channel and comment down below.